Hi guys, welcome to iCatch Fit and Fight. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯೋಗ. ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. My name is Mukti. I am taking training in Vivekananda Institute in Jikni. For myself, I having a asthmatic patient. Now permanently curable in yoga asanas. Now we are going a very important asanas for diabetes and BP. These two is very important nowadays. They are my students are demo now for diabetes and BP. You take care, you learn this, avoiding these two important disease. They are doing now. Now my students demo now. Bring your right hand slowly, side of the ears. You are going Ardha Kati Chakrasana, avoiding diabetes, BP, kidney problem, hip weight, extra cholesterol. Now slowly come to balance of right hand. You must do left hand. Slowly come. Bring your hand. Turn right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly come. Ardha Kati Chakrasana we did. Ardha Chakrasana, keep both hands on the hip. Slowly take deep inhale and bend maximum. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and come. This name is called Ardha Chakrasana. For balance of Ardha Chakrasana, Pada Hastasana. Bring your hands, bring your both hands and bend. Slowly come forward. Hold your toes, bring your toes. Yes, correct. Press your stomach. Most benefit asana for your stomach, your small intestine, big intestine, your uterus, thyroid, giddiness, memory power, concentration. Now slowly come. Release your hand. Wide your leg and stand on the toes and just hold your knees 45 degrees. Uttakata asanas number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are going number 4, very important. Wide your leg. Wide. Come to Namaskar and fold and sit. Bring your elbow. Correct. 100%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly get up. Release your hands. Good. Come to Samasthiti. Sit in Vajrasana. Slowly come. Virasana. No, Virasana. Come up. Now go. Yes. Push your stomach and chest get down. This is Saundaryasana. Must be very best asana. Dhanura. This is Mastrasana. Ustrasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are going Dhanurasana. Lie down. Most benefit asanas. Your stomach, your hip, your thyroid, your eyes, your knees. Most benefit for women. Both legs fold and hold your ankles tightly and up just like a bow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Salabhasana number 1. Lift your body up, hands also, just like a fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Second one, this is everybody doing. Bring your hands under your thighs muscles. This is Pakka Salabhasana. Very best for thyroid problem, motion problem, back pain, hip pain, your stomach, thyroid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back and bring your both legs behind the head. Very good. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly come. Sarvangasana. Most benefit asanas for everybody, including students also. Slowly come. Hold weight between on the hip. Try, try, try. Excellent, excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly fold your leg, slowly come.
Usha. Hi, I'm Ramatri. From past 2 years, I'm practicing yoga every day.
I've been learning yoga since past 2 years from yoga sir, Mr. Murthy.
I make myself sure to attend everyday yoga class
I've been doing yoga because I had thyroid problem.
so that I can lose my weight and get more benefits.
And I've been taking medicine for 1 full year. But after that also it was still higher only.
Doing yoga is really good. You can be energetic whole day.
So I did yoga for 2 years and after that my thyroid has become normal. Besides that, doing yoga gives me lots of energy. It gives me lots of strength.
And our yoga master also helps us to correct our poses, do it neatly and gets more benefit with that.
I feel very fresh. I enjoy doing yoga. I love doing yoga. So I just come regularly to do yoga and I enjoy doing it. That's it. Thank you.
Seen my student demo in front of camera. Lot of more asanas also there. You want to learn, you contact me. My name is C. Murthy. My number is 9900146303. Thank you very much.